Welcome to my channel, Catherine the Paint. Today I am doing the coasters from the Artist Till Death Fire class. In the kit she includes a set of 4 coasters, and that's what you use your leftover resin on. And so you can kind of do your own thing or do what they're doing, and they did several different styles. But I wanted all mine to match, so I wanted a set of fire coasters. So first you put down a clear coat and then start laying your colors. And what I'm going to do is like a flame, like a match flame or a candle flame. And I'm going to try to do it similar on each one. Of course, you know, they're never going to be exactly, but you get the idea. So I am just putting down my red. So we're using a red, an orange, a yellow, and a white. We've already spray painted the coasters black, so it gives you a black background without the black smearing into the other colors, which is really nice and gives you the freedom to work with it more. So then I just warmed up the resin a little bit, moved it around a tiny bit, and then I layered my orange on, and then I put my yellow on top of that and my white directly on top of that, so it just kind of looks like a flame. And then I'm swiping it, just kind of blend it a little bit. You don't want it too blendy, so just take a little paper and just kind of swipe it up till you get it the way you like it. Move it around a little. The movement really helps it look like it's moving. So if you tilt your coaster forward off the front and then pull it back, then it like makes it give the illusion of movement. So definitely move them around a little. Even if you like how it looks exactly there, you're going to want to move it and then move it back, so that ultimately at the end when it dries it'll blend it just the right amount. So this was fun. I felt like I learned a lot. I hope you guys check out the ATD classes. The classes are free. You can order the kits from them, or if you have the stuff, you can play along. So you get a painting and a set of coasters out of it. That's pretty awesome. All right, let's check out the dried results. All right, here are the dried results for the coasters from the ATD Fire class. Check them out. How fun is that? We could do them any way we wanted, but I decided to do it like this, like a candle flame. And they're not all exactly the same, but you can tell they go together. You get the idea. I think they're fun. I really enjoyed it. Go check out ATD's Fire class. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.